Your Mac Mini might connect to Wi-Fi just fine, but if it keeps disconnecting during downloads, your files won't finish properly. This issue usually happens because of weak Wi-Fi signals, interference from other devices, outdated macOS, or incorrect network settings. Many users get frustrated not knowing it's a simple fix. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix Wi-Fi disconnects during downloads on your Mac Mini M4, M3, M2, or M1. Let's fix it right now. Solution 1. Wi-Fi Diagnostics. Press and hold the Option button on the keyboard. Then click on the Wi-Fi icon at the top. Next, click on the Open Wireless Diagnostics. Then click Continue. Now, it will take some time to analyze. Then again, click Continue. After that, it will solve your Wi-Fi issues. Solution 2. Renew DHCP lease. Click the Wi-Fi icon at the top. Next, click on Wi-Fi settings. Then click on Details next to your Wi-Fi network. Now, click on TCP/IP from the right sidebar. Here you will get an option called DHCP lease. Click on Renew DHCP lease next to it. Then click Apply. This gives your Mac a new IP address from the router. Solution 3. Delete corrupted network files. Click on the Go button from the top menu bar. Then click Go to Folder option below. Now here, write this prompt /library/preferences/system configuration/. Don't worry, I will give this prompt in the description. Then hit enter. Now here, find the files related to the network. Then right-click on it. After that, click on the Move to Trash button. Now go to the Trash folder. Click on the bin icon from the taskbar. Delete the same file. Now click the right mouse button. Click Delete immediately. Now click Delete to confirm. After this, restart your Mac. Hope your Wi-Fi issue is fixed by now. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.